bridges and burnt some too. In the game M8, man, I bursting through. Bro's got the heat in the street, I make heat in the booth. Pure smoke like I burn some food. Tryna see M's like Jude. Belling them, telling them, when a 360 don't car. When the doors 360, they turn on you. No kipper, the earnings due. I broke bridges and burnt some too. In the game M8, man, I bursting through. Bro's got the heat in the street, I make heat in the booth. Pure smoke like I burn some food.
Yo, she's landed. E36 is back at the HQ. So from the last time when you seen the car, it was at MPE. It's probably about a week or two for you guys, but it's been a bit of a ball ache for me, to be honest with you. Let me jump out and I'll run you through exactly what's happened. Right, so last time you seen the car, it was about 95% done. We had a collection date set with Matt and everything was good to go. He got everything built back up, got it on the road, got it running, took it for a short little drive, car started misfiring. Compression test, first 5 cylinders, all good. Last cylinder, 0 compression. Stripped down, head back off. We found 2 of the valves was slightly bent. It wasn't really traceable, but on further inspection, it had come from when the camshaft snapped. So the head had to come off, it went to the shop. Got the valves ordered, it was all done pretty quickly, to be fair. Can't fault MPE. It's a bit frustrating for me, but at the end of the day, car's here now. It's good to go, it's running. Still got a lot of niggly issues that we need to sort out. Truth be told, we kind of took the car out right at the end stages just before it was finished. With the excessive workload that MP's got, Matt said, you know, he wanted to keep the car, do the right thing, take it for a proper test drive and iron out all the creases himself. But I wanted to get the car back for the channel and I've not drove it properly for months. So let's take it out for a drive. Get me a turbo on this, bro. You got one? Yeah. Boop. The Manchester tram. Boop.
Sounds faulty, innit?
Yeah. Sounds offensive. It's into letting us go, bro. Shit me up like that. Boggy. It's a bit too boggy. Oi. We nearly lost the gearbox.
Bumper clap, man said it's like a rally whip.
Man said. Come on. We're outside. Ooh. We're getting a bit of boggy. Right, would you reckon we unplug them off? See how we get on.
Let's do it.
Actually. Looking like ECU master, bro. Get rid of all this fucking bogging. If it does cut out. Just need some abuse. It's probably just a wiring thing, innit? That's the only thing we've not changed, bro, the wiring loom. Put my heart in this. Temperature's still good.
Yeah.
I think we're just back to square one, innit? Oi, No, it doesn't like both. I didn't move my foot then, it just bogged itself. Feels alright, top end. There's no bog up there. Annoying that.
Oh, is that not you?
No? Bro, look, my foot's not moving yet. Now, why would I keep doing that, bro? That's why I was saying in third, when it's high up in the RPM, it's not doing anything. It'll just sit there, innit? Burning my fuel. Nice one. Back in?
Yeah.
On them. Why?
Just bogging in it.
Bogging with it in as well, but try it.
What's changed?
What?
What's changed?
Nothing?
It's rained. It's only been dark and things.
I feel like it's more boggy with the muffin though.
Feel it?
Yeah. Just needs some abuse, bro, that's what it needs.
When it slides nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why then? It can't have been second gear, because like you said, second gear's fast.
What's going on, mate? fuck's sake.
We need a recovery. We're stranded.
Not getting spare out.
No, it's sweet.
Sweet. Defo something not right on this side. Felt it wibbling.
Got the shocker.
Something was rattling as well. Oh, right there.
That's sweet.
Did you not feel it wiggling afterwards?
Yes, yeah.
I thought the diff, bro. Straight down.
I did think drive shaft at first, but then I felt the wibble and I thought maybe the tyre.
Yeah, diff or the drive shaft. Come then, let's bounce away from here.
I put my heart in this.
Oh. Head home and get it on the ramp. Felt something pop in it. Feels alright, innit? So just send it and see what happens.
Cool and sense, man.
Drive shaft. Out the diff. Drive shaft probably. How, bro?
You know the same one I sent last time?
Probably. Can't remember. How have I done two? How? Oh. That's got to be a me probably. Can't blame the car on that. How have I done two, bro?
Did you feel like it's pulling to your side?
To the right, maybe?
Yeah, it's not
Driving the left, innit?
Right, so we're gonna quickly wrap this up now. Nothing ever goes to plan with this car. So we took it for a quick test drive. Say a quick test drive, was out for a little bit, but yeah, we took it for a test drive. Still having the bogging issue with the MAF plugged in. And then with the MAF plugged out, we're having a bogging issue, plus it's cutting out when you come to a stop. So we've not really got any further on with that. I'll speak to Matt and go through, you know, what he thinks we should be doing. We'll go through next steps. We did speak about the potential of this happening. We're thinking next step, maybe standalone ECU, or maybe just change the MAF. That's obviously going to be the cheaper option. As for the next issue, we decided to stay out even though he's having the bogging problems and give it a little bit of stick because it's been sat for so long. Just wanted to get some use out of the car, and we've just had a quick look, got it up on the jack now. It doesn't look like it's the drive shaft, something that I've done before. I'm gonna go inside now, get the camera on charge, quickly have a look at the clips, make sure it's not my dodgy driving, because Wiggy seems to like to blame me. But yeah, it's not gone exactly as we wanted it to go, but you're starting to get to the gist of why I'm telling you this car. It's cursed. Like I don't know why I go on with this car, right? But it just does not want to work. I don't know what I've got to do to get it working so I can just enjoy the car. But yeah, keep it moving, innit? This is my E36, as you can see. Problem after problem. So I guess tune in next time to see the next one.